What's up everyone, welcome back to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to verify a YouTube channel without your number. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Click on customize channel. And now click on settings. And then click on channel. And now click on future eligibility. Click here and scroll down. It's impossible to verify a YouTube channel without a phone number, so we are giving them a fake number. So open a new tab and search temporary phone number. Open the first website, scroll down and choose any number you want. I'm choosing United States number. Scroll down and copy the number and paste here and select the country to USA. And click on text me the verification code and select on next. Your verification code will appear here, and copy the verification code and give them a verification code, and your YouTube channel will be successfully verified without your number. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like my video.